Tesla started rolling out 10.69.2 to some testers Sunday night. Elon Musk later announced that 10.69.2 appeared to be ready for a wide release to all FSD Beta testers. The FSD Beta program includes approximately 100,000 drivers. Musk stated that version 10.69.2 was ready for Tesla owners who were still running version 10.12.2 and had been waiting for 10.69 for a few weeks. Welcome to Tech Heaven, and in this video we'll take a look at everything you need to know about Tesla FSD 10.69.2 latest update. Curious to know? Let's find out. Tesla released 10.69 in stages. Only 1,000 beta testers received 10.69 in the first week. The following week, Tesla distributed 10.69.1 to 10,000 additional beta testers. The release of version 10.69.2 was originally scheduled for last week, but Tesla delayed it to address issues with version 10.69.1. However, the EV manufacturer distributed version 10.69.1.1 to additional beta testers. Tesla has been deploying the FSD Beta stable subversion 10.69.2 for more than 24 hours. Tesla CEO Elon Musk tweeted just before the rollout began late Sunday evening. Looks good to roll out to all Tesla owners with 10.12.2. Please keep in mind that safety is our top priority, so expect it to be extra cautious, especially around pedestrians, Musk said in a preliminary tweet to the above. In driver assist or self-driving systems, pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcycles are referred to as vulnerable road users. The release notes for 10.69.2 are identical to those for the main FSD Beta branch 10.69. Both previous versions were distributed to a small number of beta testers, but 10.69.2 will be distributed to all participants in the early access program. Tesla Joy, a beta tester and YouTuber, was still on FSD Beta version 10.12.2 when she received notification that the latest version was available for download, but it was pulled back before it could be installed, and she did not receive the update. Bug fixes must be in the works. The majority of FSD Beta testers will be updated directly from 10.12.2 to 10.69.2, skipping 2 versions in the process. As beta testers receive FSD Beta 10.69.2, they are sharing their first impressions and experiences with the latest version. Following several talks with beta testers, there are a few issues that they constantly raise. The first and most frequently mentioned issue is phantom braking. However, beta tester Howard did admit that phantom braking occurred a little less after installing 10.69.1.1. Longtime early access software tester Les from Fort Worth, Texas, said phantom braking is rare. Without any human intervention, Tesla FSD Beta 10.69.2 drove the car from the car park of the Lyndon Baines Johnson Library to Northwest Austin near the Tesla Service Center on Palm Springs Road. Dirty Tesla, a well-known Tesla community member and FSD beta tester, also received a 10.69.2 update and believes the drive has improved overall. Kim Paquette, another beta tester, took a few drives and noticed that FSD Beta 10.69.2 struggles around pedestrians, being far too cautious for people simply walking on the sidewalk and not crossing. It appears that the new algorithm changes in 10.69.2 are attempting to demonstrate to the world that Tesla full self-driving is safe for pedestrians and VR use. The Tesla Autopilot software team may need to strike a balance in the next version update. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic, the most recent update to Tesla's full self-driving software has begun to be distributed to beta testers. This, like many Tesla software releases, appears to be an improvement in some ways while being a downgrade in others. The odd thing about 10.69.2 is that reports differ widely on what was improved and what appears to have been made worse. The most recent FSD is better at navigating unprotected left turns, unless it isn't. Human driver interventions are down unless they're up, and the new version is more cautious, unless it isn't. Social media impressions appear to be evenly divided. Videos of cars using the new software are starting to emerge, allowing us to see for ourselves those pesky unprotected left turns. Tesla appears to have considered the criticism it received earlier for failing to respond appropriately to pedestrians. According to Elon Musk, the software has become overly cautious, particularly around pedestrians. Tesla's driving system aims to provide a full experience to those who already have the functionality, especially since 10.69.2 is only available to a limited number of users. In a tweet, Musk stated that people should expect it to be overly cautious around pedestrians and other cars detected by the system. Some videos on Twitter even show the feature coming to a halt and prioritizing allowing pedestrians to cross before continuing with the drive. The most advanced Tesla FSD Beta version is 10.69.2, with more features coming with the company's autonomous driving feature. It aims to improve integration on the country's public roads and highways. It also has a better unprotected left turn maneuver, extensive road mapping, and a pedestrian detection system that is more accurate. Finally, the Tesla FSD Beta aims to provide more information about the system's offers that will assist users on their daily drives. Tesla's autopilot software has seen tremendous advancements. However, from a safety standpoint, it is still not suitable for crowded markets. Despite all of the improvements to the FSD Beta, we should keep in mind that Tesla Autopilot isn't perfect. In fact, Tesla's cost-cutting measures may have contributed to its vehicles colliding with motorcyclists. Other videos have surfaced on Twitter showcasing the latest beta's triumphs and terrors. At its best, the software resembles a human being. At its worst, it careens onto busy roads without paying attention to stop signs. Some testers claim that software is nearing perfection, with complete end-to-end operational competency. Others argued that this is ridiculous and that you should not trust this software with the life of an infant child. Even Tesla owners who describe themselves as long on Tesla or bullish on the company see the new software as a step back. Elon Musk continues to claim that Teslas will be entirely self-driving this year, despite the fact that there appears to be no evidence to support that claim. When auditing the new software, Tesla beta testers should always remain alert. This new version of FSD will focus on providing a better driving experience for all, but what is more important is that it will be extended to those with safety scores of 80 and higher. This new release will alter the narrative and head on for other EV users, making it more accessible to those who are eligible for the service. The top billionaire also hinted at a new update from the company, particularly with the FSD Beta version 10.69.3 coming shortly after its AI Day release to lower safety scores. The full self-driving feature is expanding to everyone, and it is bringing its features to many users for their system experience, delivering an autonomous drive for everyone. Musk and Tesla appear to be intent on keeping the FSD Beta version 10.69 ball rolling for quite some time, as the system number continues to grow rather than transitioning to the next designation in line. Normally, company updates would change numbers, but version 10.69, which was released in August, is getting an extension for availability. Musk is a well-known fan of memes and modern pop culture references, which he incorporates into Tesla's systems, particularly with the introduction of games via the infotainment system of its EVs. It is an important addition to the system because it allows drivers to play games while the car is parked, which is a huge feature that is exclusive to the company. Shortly after 10.69's exclusive release, two versions of the wide release were made available to everyone, with the first focusing on a subset of 100,000 system users with high safety ratings. However, in this big update of the company, it is broadening more to other users with low safety scores, particularly those with more than 80 and less than 98, a significant shift from its previous requirements. Users would only have to wait until after AI Day to receive the new update and be eligible for a driving system upgrade. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What other functionalities would you like to see in further versions of FSD? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.